Welcome back to Cars Trends. Today, we have an exhilarating treat for you, a deep dive into the all-new 2025 Porsche 912. This iconic model has been reimagined for the modern era, blending classic Porsche design with cutting-edge technology and performance. Buckle up as we explore what makes this vehicle a true masterpiece. The 2025 Porsche 912 commands attention with its sleek, aerodynamic silhouette that pays homage to its classic lineage. The front fascia features the signature oval headlights, now equipped with advanced LED technology for enhanced visibility. The sculpted hood and pronounced fenders convey a sense of power and agility, while the rear boasts a seamless light bar connecting the taillights, adding a contemporary touch to its timeless design. The choice of vibrant exterior colors and optional panoramic sunroof further accentuate its dynamic presence on the road. Stepping inside, the 2025 Porsche 912 offers a harmonious blend of luxury and functionality. The cabin is adorned with premium materials, including supple leather upholstery, brushed aluminum accents, and optional carbon fiber trims. The driver-centric cockpit features a configurable digital instrument cluster and a high-resolution infotainment system with intuitive controls. Ergonomically designed seats provide exceptional comfort and support, ensuring an enjoyable driving experience for both short commutes and long journeys. Ambient lighting and a premium sound system enhance the overall ambiance, making every drive a pleasure. Under the hood, the 2025 Porsche 912 houses a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering an impressive 265 horsepower and 265 pound-feet of torque. This powertrain propels the vehicle from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds, with a top speed of 177 miles per hour. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, while the rear-wheel drive configuration offers a pure and engaging driving experience. The finely tuned suspension and precise steering provide exceptional handling, making every twist and turn on the road a thrill to navigate. Incorporating the latest in automotive technology, the 2025 Porsche 912 is equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and a rear-view camera as standard features. The infotainment system supports smartphone integration, allowing for seamless access to navigation, music, and hands-free communication. Advanced driver assistance systems enhance safety, providing peace of mind during every drive. The vehicle also offers customizable driving modes, enabling drivers to tailor the performance characteristics to their preferences. Despite its sports car heritage, the 2025 Porsche 912 offers a surprising level of practicality. The rear seats can be folded down to expand cargo space, accommodating luggage or recreational gear with ease. Thoughtful storage solutions throughout the cabin ensure that essentials are within easy reach. The vehicle's compact dimensions make it well suited for urban environments, while its performance capabilities are ready to tackle open roads. This versatility makes the 912 an ideal choice for those seeking a dynamic driving experience without compromising on everyday usability. Positioned as an entry point into the Porsche lineup, the 2025 Porsche 912 appeals to driving enthusiasts who value a balance of performance, luxury, and practicality. Its combination of classic design cues and modern enhancements makes it a compelling choice for both longtime Porsche aficionados and newcomers to the brand. The 912 embodies the spirit of Porsche, delivering an engaging driving experience that is both accessible and exhilarating. As we wrap up our exploration of the 2025 Porsche 912, it's clear that this model successfully bridges the gap between heritage and innovation. Its captivating design, refined interior, spirited performance, and advanced technology make it a standout in the sports car segment. Whether you're drawn to its nostalgic charm or its modern capabilities, the 912 offers a driving experience that is truly special. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2025 Porsche 912, please give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us bring you the content you love. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Cars Trends for more reviews and insights into the latest automotive marvels. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.